Good morning, Trojans and Lions. Today is Monday, making it a marvelous Monday. It is May 11th, 2020. Welcome to your math lesson. So for this week, we will continue to create rows and columns, but we're going to be doing it a new way on Google Classroom. And I'm going to show you how to do that because we haven't practiced this skill yet. So let's go ahead and go over our goal. Today, we can use math drawings to partition a rectangle with squared tiles and relate to repeated addition. So that sounds like a lot of things we're going to do. So the first thing we need to remember is that we're going to draw them using this grid. What is this called? A grid. And we're going to partition. That's our new vocabulary word. Our new vocabulary word is partition. Say it. Partition. It means to divide into groups. And we're going to be doing this with our square tiles. And finally, we always represent our square tiles, the total, with the repeated addition sentence. So here we go. So the first thing it's telling us to do is fill in an array with 2 rows of 4. This is our array, right? It's a group of rows and columns. We have rows and columns. And we're going to fill it in with 2 rows of 4. So we have 1 row, 2 rows, and we need 4 in each one. What we're going to do is we're going to press on the square, and then we're going to come over here to this little bucket, and we're going to choose the color. I'm going to choose yellow, and I'm going to fill it. So that's 1 square. Next one, come over to the bucket, fill it. 2 squares. Come over to the bucket. Fill up the square, 3. And 4. Now, this was an accident. I didn't want that to be a different color. So I'm going to go back and make the right color. Now, here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that how many I need in each row? Yes, that's how many I need in each row. Now, how many rows do I need? Correct, I need 2, so let's create 1 more row. Where are we gonna go? Yep, to the bucket. Fill it. Press on here. Fill it again. 3. And 4. Now I've created my 2 rows of 4. Now finally I have to write two repeated addition equations to find the total. So I know my first one can be 4 plus 4 equals 8, right? Because I had 4 in each one, and that represents the rows. Now the other way we can represent it is by the columns. How many columns did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's how many in each one? 2. 1, 2. So here I go. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 gives me 8. So these are the 2 repeated addition equations I can use to represent the total amount of square tiles in our array. All right, go ahead, Trojans and Lions, give it a shot on your Google Classrooms. If you have any questions, put comments on our homepage. All right, see you later.